Let's take another live look outside using the FOX23 Skyview network. It's been a beautiful day, but things are going to start cooling down as rain chances increase this week. Certified meteorologist Mike Grogan is in the FOX23 Severe Weather Center. Mike, should we expect any severe weather during the rain you're talking about these next few days?
It's possible. We are going to have just enough of those ingredients coming together for maybe some hail concerns. I'll show you where in just a moment. Right now, the overall weather pattern, the jet stream kind of taking a dive in the southeast and kind of lifting back over the southern plains. This southwesterly flow is going to be going over that frontal boundary that just moved through today. And as little ripples along it pass through, we get the trigger for rain and thunderstorms, which you can already see well underway along the west coast, weary from quite a winter. Here in Oklahoma, we have some clouds passing over. These are all high-level clouds, not producing any sort of that rain at the moment. That will be a different story by tomorrow as we take a look at temperatures north of Tulsa, starting to see that cooler air moving in. 59 in Coffeyville, 66 in Pryor, upper 60s in Tahlequah. We still find 70 degrees on our thermometer there in Muskogee down Highway 69. 74, our balmier location there in McAllister. Around Tulsa right now, we're looking at spring in bloom at the moment, 67 degrees. You see some of those Bradford pear trees all blossomed out at the moment, and that might be contributing to maybe your sniffles. Allergy right now, a report showing that our cedar and elm trees, and actually we are dealing with other pollen issues as well with trees. So if it's something that bothers you, it might be the reason you're dealing with some allergy concerns today. Otherwise, the grass, the weeds, the molds, all those spores are generally low at the moment. So it's mostly tree pollen that's showing up at this point. If you're out there to brave the pollen, we expect temperatures to be quite pleasant for a dog walk this evening. Temperatures in the 60s. No rainfall tonight. You might want to exercise that dog before we start to have to dodge those showers and thunderstorms starting tomorrow. Now we're going to begin tomorrow with generally cool and quiet weather. Probably not much rainfall for the morning hours. 50 degrees there at 10 a.m. on your Tuesday. Stepping out for lunch, 56 there at noon. And heading into the afternoon, dry weather giving way to some scattered showers in the mix with generally cloudy skies and 63 by mid-afternoon. Let's track the rain on radar predictor, and what you'll notice here is not a lot going on here in the morning. By afternoon, there are the pop-up showers, a few heavier downpours, nothing that's going to last all that long. Different story after dark tomorrow night. We're going to get more of a consolidated band of heavier thunderstorms to develop, and these could involve some strong and even locally severe thunderstorms. Just a lot of heavy rainfall becoming the big concern into early Wednesday morning. This will begin to shift into southeastern Oklahoma for more of the focus of that heavier rain Wednesday to start off the day. Might get a little bit of drying Wednesday morning into midday for the metro area before more rain showers start to build back in later in the day and especially into your Thursday. More heavy rainfall, especially in southeast Oklahoma through that day, and off and on rain through your Thursday. So you get the idea. A lot of rain coming between now and Thursday evening. And that severe weather threat primarily confined to Tuesday night and also Wednesday. South of I-40 appears to be the area where we might get that threat for some locally large hail in the strongest of the thunderstorms, though that could occur even up to I-40. So just be aware, this is mainly a hail threat that we'd face with any of the storms. The severe weather wind threat is pretty low, and the tornado threat is almost non-existent. So that's the good news with this week. But the rainfall might be the greatest concern between basically Tuesday and Thursday. More than 3 inches of rain may fall, especially in southeastern Oklahoma, and that will come with cool but near normal temperatures through midweek, but we'll head into the first weekend of spring break with increasingly chilly air. So here's that 10-day forecast. Rain chances likely through Thursday, and then as we jump towards the weekend, another round of some showers. We spring forward with daylight saving time beginning Sunday, a sunset after 7 o'clock then, but we'll be wearing the jacket as we're out to enjoy that sunshine early into spring break week with highs in the 50s, lows maybe as cool as near freezing, and then bouncing back a little bit as the week goes along. We'll have another check coming up at 6:30.